You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. Move. Hey, guys, today we're here with Skeng. Yes, man. Skeng with Ambush. Yes, it's the EP. Skeng drop an EP, all right. So, let's jump in and see what the Ratty Gang boss has said, man. Let's go. So, we have a disclaimer. All weapons used in this video are props. Officer, I'm telling already. A prop gun, them the man I use here. No real firearms were used during the production of this music video. No animals were, no animals were, in this creation of this motion picture. All right, so viewer discretion advised. Yes, you see it there? Yes, no animal would never harm in the making of it neither. So make it start this song here where I say, let's go. Who's the video, by the way? It's an entertainment production because of self. What that brick?
Skeng, top of the morning. What's going on, bro?
No, you know murder is, Master.
Yeah, I was just here finalizing here a little piece of cash, you know. You ready to me bring it? Come give you me and my crew.
Which is right.
Alright. You know, I work hard grind to make me do it with this. Fully bad grind. Come give me a link up town at the office now. Yeah, me have a little commission more me deal. They have some boys giving me a little problem. You understand? Yeah, me and more I'm gonna give them a circle, man.
Yo, drop bush. How about this no pram push? Violate them ends I get ambush. If matic a rifle by that push. Press pan the trigger my finger them don't stush. Spin them black. Circle them with beach pop black. Let go the beast the cage me unlock. Boy dead me gun the punk up. On a demon time in a black pan black. And up on a knock when this slam on a chop. Come and talk from 12 years step on a clock. I'm a connect with killers all over the map. Chips and guts.
Yo, it's because it started off with such an interesting start, an interesting intro. I'm looking to see. I'm trying to analyze as much as I can in the video wise. Listen to the lyrics from Skeng. See me, man. Sure, man. Oh, so for him say the line that me understand what I go on now. So him call Brick Boss and I ask him say, yo, if the piece of butter ready, piece of bing bing ready. Brick Boss I say, yo, Brick Boss call him friend and say, yo, him have some man a give him trouble and rave. We could go again. So okay, so it's an extortion thing I go on there. So alright, Skeng, that you do ya so, alright. Look at the production team, man. Boss looks stressed.
Skeng, top of the morning. What's going on, bro?
No, you know murder is, Master.
Yeah, I was just here finalizing here a little piece of cash, you know. You ready to me bring it? Come give you me and my crew.
Which is right.
Alright. You know, I work hard grind to make me do it with this. Fully bad grind. Come give me a link up town at the office now. Yeah, me have a little commission more me deal. They have some boys giving me a little problem.
Yeah.
You understand?
See that?
Yeah, me and more I'm gonna give them a circle, man.
That's why them say no animals are hurt. Alright.
Yo, drop bush. How about this no pram push? Violate them ends I get ambush. If matic a rifle by that push. Press pan the trigger my finger them don't get ambush. If matic a rifle by that push. Press pan the trigger my finger them don't stush.
Alright.
Spin them black. Circle them with beach pop black.
Yeah.
Let go the beast the cage me unlock. Boy if you dead me gun the punk up.
And say, let go the beast, the cage me unlock.
Let go the beast the cage me unlock. Boy, if you dead, me gun the Bangkok. When a demon time in a black pan black. And up on a knock when this slam on a chop. Come and talk from 12 years step on a clock. I'm a connect with killers all over the map. Chips and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Matson. Extortion and some taxing. Money subtraction, well not action. Expansion for all mansion. Chips and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Matson. Extortion and some taxing. Money subtraction, well not action. Expansion for all mansion. How them win a shot of iron. Step with some rasta when I see Zion. When you go a war when the ball fit tired. Them a lie punk crime, me go kill the lion. Play up and then get away, shot the bigs. Shot a man, shot a girl, go fame.
Anything I get it.
Everything it a sing. Chips and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Matson. Extortion and some taxing. Money subtraction, well not action. Expansion for all mansion. Chips and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 and Matson. Extortion and some taxing. Money subtraction, well not action. Expansion for all mansion.
Ambush, man, I'm ambushing in a Skeng.
Demon time in a black pan black. And up on a knock when this slam on a chop. Come and talk from 12 years step on a clock. I'm a connect with killers all over the map.
Same connect with killers all over the globe, all over the map. Lord Claude, man, I'm dashing down. Yeah, you should bring the money, come here, try. Yeah, try go around the thing. And then buff him, man. Man, then buff him, blood clot. Your ear, if you bring the food, come the bing bang, the food, the money, the mola, the green, and you call your friend, but you go ambush. All right, ambush them, yeah.
Come in a farid.
Blood clot, man, them dash you down. Yes, don't go around the order. The man saying link with killer all over the map, all over the globe. So anything you think you do, we are 10 steps ahead of you. That is what Skeng is telling him. Skeng, big up yourself, my G. You're at the gang, big up yourself. Big up the production team, behind the one. Ambush! Yes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one. I'll catch you guys in the comment section, please.
On a machine fire, I am a ref for Jamaica game. Roughest out here, hear me talk? No pussy test. No in earth.